everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to zoom in the PlayStation camera when you're live streaming on Twitch or YouTube on your PS5. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top, go to Settings. Then scroll on down and go to Camera and Broadcast. Then go down to Broadcast and go to Camera. And select this and make sure your camera is turned on. And then if you do have like a green screen, you can add a chroma key. Right here, and select this and it'll cut out the background. Now to actually get it to zoom in, find the position you want to sit. So I'm sitting on the couch right here. And then you can go to Refocus on your face. And it'll zoom in specifically where you are, as long as you're on the screen. So let's press this. And you can see it's refocusing on my face and it zoomed in probably by about 80%. So if you don't have a large background or anything like that, or a green screen, this can cut most of it up. So you can see in the background now, if I was playing games, anywhere you see like a black area, this would be all gameplay in the background. So this is a really nice setup. If I go ahead and just sit up a little bit higher, then you want to see any part of the couch. You can always restore the default back to normal. Turn this back on, and then you can see the entire camera. So you can see quite the difference. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.